Hey guys, what's up? This is Back In Handyman, and I was about to hang up my cabinets, and let me just show you what I got going on here. I already hung one of them, which is like those. This was my special cabinet. It's special width and everything for the exact spot that I'm making it for. I had to make this one. I couldn't order it from like Lowe's or Home Depot. We bought these cabinets at a supply auction. I mean, we bought over $2,500 worth of cabinets, and I ended up having to build, I'd say 75 to 80% of the cabinets myself because the shapes and sizes I needed. But this is why I will not go to buy cabinets from Lowe's, Home Depot, unless it's custom built, because of this stuff right here. Now you see this right here. Okay, this would have been about maybe $250 cabinet because it's a soft close, right? At these box stores, they receive a boxed up cabinet. That's just a bunch of parts like IKEA or something, right? And then they just put it together. And for this cabinet, all they literally have to do is screw these in. And then they got these things that you put on there and it holds it together and it screws it down. See, like right here. Now, over time, I could see these screws coming out and the cabinet just falling apart because none of it is glued. Look how loose that is. I personally am going to take both of these cabinets apart and glue them and screw them to where they're sturdy and solid and they won't ever fall apart because they just assembled them there. They didn't glue nothing or anything. When you look at my cabinet, this right here, you see how we have the wood set into the back. We have pocket screws. So these are good mounting plates for my cabinet. And none of this is going to come apart ever. It's all glued and screwed together. This ain't going to come off. The front isn't just going to fall off of it. Which, if you look at this here, you can hear it moving around. So don't buy box store cabinets. Have somebody make them for you because they could at least glue these motherfuckers together when they put them together. I mean, I'd rather do 3/4 inch plywood cabinets. That's a 1/2 inch plywood I made that out of. And I found that I'd rather do 3/4 because it's more solid and durable. But this here's 1/2 inch too. They even like routed it in to where the backboard would fit into it and everything. I mean, it all fits perfectly into it, but for just 8 little triangles to hold this shit together, you're getting ripped off at about $300 per cabinet. And you know, that cabinet right there, buying the hinges and everything, I bet would have cost me no more than $100. $100 is what it would cost me, and that's for cheap plywood. I still got to paint these, but I just wanted to bring that up why I still had one of the cabinets I built in here so I could compare it to one of the cabinets you buy from the box store. Don't buy pre-made cabinets from the box store. Go to a cabinet builder. They're a lot more durable, a lot stronger, you know. And if you know somebody that's handy, I did all this without a big table saw and all that. I mean, I don't even have a flat surface. All my tables that I've clamped shit down on are bowed. So, I mean, and that's my miter saw. That's my table saw back there. I don't have anything special doing this stuff, guys. I've even built my own paint tent. So keep this in mind next time you go buy cabinets, please. Don't get ripped off.